Hitachi EX1200-6 swing motor M2X210-CHE10, a premium Chinese engineering with 2-year warranty. Military grade testing, 35 megapascals pressure cycles, 10,000 swing repetitions, 40 C120C thermal shock. Tonkee machinery equals hydraulic mastery, industrial muscle, zero compromise durability. Every unit survives 1,249-13 endurance protocols before shipping. Why we dominate. 80,000 square meters automated foundry, 18-axis CSE precision robotic anti-corrosion coating, factory floor proof, ISO 9001 and C certified, 100% dimensional compliance per GSB 8356-10 warranty claims record since 2018. Your Hitachi EX1200-6 deserves heavyweight hydraulic DNA order with confidence.